We are going to make this. Welcome to our another video. You are watching Adobe. First, I will open Photo in Photoshop. Now I will take Crop tool and take 1:1 ratio for square size. I am increasing background for text. Now double-click to crop this. Take Rectangle tool and select blank area. Then right-click and select Fill. Now select Content Aware option. Hold Shift to select both area. Then right-click and select Fill. Now select Content Aware option. I am taking Lasso tool and selecting Unwanted area. Now I am taking Patch tool. Drag this unwanted area to desired area to replace this. Now press S button to take Stamp tool. Take Opacity 100% and Flow 100%. Now hold Alt button and click to define a source point. Now click with mouse to make clone. Use this according to your choice. Now duplicate this layer. And take Object Selection tool. Then drag on Man Face. The face will be automatically select. Then click on Mask button. Make a new layer. Press Shift plus F5 and select Fill Color and then select Green Color. Now move this layer below the face layer. Select Mask and take Brush tool. Then select Black color to remove image background. You can take White color brush if you want to reveal image. Now I can cut this with accuracy. I will correct only this side. We do not need to correct back side because that will not visible with back layer. Apply layer mask. Now go to Layer, Matting and select Defringe to remove black edges. Now delete this green layer. And save as your file in Photoshop. I already typed text in Coreldraw. Take 5 by 5 inch page size. Double-click on Rectangle to make page size rectangle. Now go to File menu and import Photoshop file. Go to Object menu, Power Clip and select Place inside frame and click on Rectangle. Double-click to edit Power Clip. Now hit P button to center this and resize this to page size. We have face in separate layer. Go to Effect menu, Adjustment and select Brightness and Contrast. Now set this according to your choice. Now I will place logo. Press G button to apply gradient. Double-click to make one color point in mid. Now follow these colors to make golden gradient. We will put main title now. I am applying candle script font here. Now take Attributes Eyedropper tool and pick Gradient from Logo and fill on your text. Now take Bezier tool and make a curve line. Now hit plus button from numeric keypad to duplicate this, and adjust this line. Select both line and weld this. Drag one line anchor point to other line anchor point, so the lines will weld. Now apply gradient with Attributes Eyedropper tool. Hold Alt button and drag with mouse to copy this. Make a rectangle and apply a gradient. Then place inside frame. Now press Ctrl plus page down to send behind the face layer. Select font according to your choice. Hit L button to left align this. Now make rectangle and apply black color from background. Select with background and hit C button to center align. Take Transparency tool and fade upper part. Now I will change font. Now I am making location icon. Use Weld tool to joint both shape. Use front minus back tool to cut shape. Hold Shift button and select anchor points with Shape tool and delete this. Press C and E button to align this. Rounded all corner from Shape tool. Take Attributes Eyedropper tool and pick Gradient from Logo and apply to Rectangle. Press Ctrl plus page down to send to backward. Hold Alt button and drag to copy this. Now your post is ready. Ask us if you have any question. You can also suggest us some topic for video. Please subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.